Hello everyone, it's Miros and it's finally here. This is OnePlus 13. Now I will unbox it and I will tell you a story about my unpleasant experience with the delivery of this device. So let's move on. Okay guys, this is the device itself, OnePlus 13. Let's check here the specs. It's 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Of course, this is the cheapest device, but you know, I can't afford more expensive device and this should be the black version. So now I will unbox it, but before that you probably already see that this device is ordered from Trading Shenzhen and they include here a European adapter, a pencil and a €5 voucher. But now I will explain you the situation with Trading Shenzhen, what really happened. I ordered the device at the day of the release date. It was just a pre-order. I pre-order it. Then I write them a message in WhatsApp when they will send the device, because I have a YouTube channel and of course I will need it as fast as they can send it, just to make a review and test everything for you. And they told me 3 to 5 days processing time, and after that they will send it. I said okay, pay the device immediately and just start waiting. The delivery of course was delayed. Of course, it was in a time schedule of Trading Shenzhen. It was 1 month or something. I was waiting for this device to make a review. And when it was landed in Europe, it was stuck there for 5 days. Not any movement of the tracking number. And I write them message again. Hey, all other YouTubers just received their devices ordered from you. So you have some kind of double standards. You send them faster their devices because to make a review and mention Trading Shenzhen, but not to me. Why? Is there any problem with it? And you know, they answer me, next time you can order from other place. I will include a screenshot here. You can see it from our conversation in WhatsApp. Of course, for sure, next time I will not use their services and will never order any other device from them. But after that conversation, what they do, they just block my account in their website. So I can't log in their website. And I write them email, you can see it here, asking what's the problem. They told me they will ask the IT department about this problem. And after that, I can't contact them anymore. What's this? I'm not sure that's even legal. But what I suppose is they just blocked my account for 2 weeks, for example. I will see when they will unblock it, because after that period of time I will forget and I will not leave a negative review for OnePlus 13 in their website, and I will not write anything bad about the delivery. What really happened, guys, is that what you are doing? This is your service or what? So guys, this was everything about the delivery, and I will not mention anymore Trading Shenzhen. Of course, I will never order a device from them. So, enough of that. Now let's unbox the device after this unpleasant experience. Let's move on. So guys, that's everything in the box. We have 100-watt SuperVOOC charger. We have USB-C to USB-A cable. We have a SIM ejector too, here it is, and we have that silicone TPU case, which probably you already understand the color of the device by the case, because this year OnePlus create color matching cases for their device. So if you order black device, you will receive a black case. If you order white, you will receive a transparent case, and so on for the blue vegan leather case. So this one is a little bit softer than the last year, I think, but it's very nice and it has some kind of grippy material in it. Nice case from OnePlus. OnePlus 13 in black color. I can say this one, it is stunning. Very nice color, and the design is very sleek, and from that moment which I put it in my hand, I can tell you that this is a comfortable device than OnePlus 12. You can see these edges. Now it's more, the design is more flat, almost flat screen. It's curved on it's curved on any side, but it's curved very slightly and very subtle. so it will be a comfortable feeling in the hand and you are using your gestures without any problem. But the device is very comfortable in the hand. I'm not sure, probably this is because of these flat sides, but it's really comfortable in the hand. A power button, perfectly placement for the power button, and volume rocker. The buttons are a nice place, and here on the bottom we have a loudspeaker, a microphone, a second microphone, USB-C of course, and we have SIM ejector, SIM tray, which will hold dual SIM cards. Do we have support of eSIM? I will check when I start up the device. Here is our mute switch with 3 positions, and it's very, now this year it's better than the OnePlus 12 for sure, because in OnePlus 12 it was harder, but now it's softer, like it's moved a little bit soft, and I like it. Here on the top we have a hole for the loudspeaker. We have 2 microphones again, so we have 4 in total, and 1 on the back, probably 5 microphones, and of course we have here an infrared port on the top of the device. And guys, this design is just stunning. You can see that wooden finish of the back glass, which has some, it is matte, so no fingerprints here at all, and it has some grippiness in it. But the device is very, very comfortable in the hand. It was unexpected for me, and this is the case. Let's just put it in the case just to check how it's looking like. And a nice simple case. We have here a lips on every side, so a nice case, I can say. Buttons are covered, and it's very grippy. I prefer the black one because it's so sleek. Everything is black, even here the rails, the metal rails, aluminum rails are black, so it is completely stellar and pitch black device. In the back is the camera ring. It's a little bit different than the last year OnePlus 12, which, to be honest, I prefer the melted design here of the metal on OnePlus 12, but this one is in black. At least it's looking very good. It's more remind me of OnePlus 12R, but it is what it is. This time OnePlus decided to go for that design, and here we have that strip with H of the Hasselblad logo. Same as last year, we have 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 main sensor. For the periscope, this year we have 50 megapixel, which is again Sony LYT600. And for the ultra-wide camera, we have a 50 megapixel JM5 sensor. It has a 120 degrees field of view, and also we have, they call it 13-channel multispectral sensor. And this periscope sensor, of course, is capable of 3x zoom max. Selfie camera, same as last year, 32 megapixel. Design is very nice. I will go in deep about the cameras, but later in my videos, in the next video. So now let's just start the device and see what we'll receive with it. Of course, this is a China version, and we'll have here a color OS coming from Oppo, not Oxygen OS, but I hope in future I can show you a video how to move from ColorOS 15 to Oxygen OS 15. I hope this will be possible. So ColorOS 15. Device is starting directly because I already mentioned that they open it, install Google services, and it's ready for use. Okay, a little bit more about the specs of OnePlus 13. BOE flagship X2 OLED display. It's an 8T LTPO OLED panel with 1440p resolution, going from 1 to 120 Hz. Refresh rate, typical brightness is now rated for 800 nits, but peak HDR brightness is 4500 nits. The new addition here is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, more on that later. A new vibration motor with gaming controller level feedback with its 602 cubics volume. OnePlus claims this is the largest vibration motor ever put on Android phone. The other big thing in this device is silicon carbon battery with 100 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging, and it has a 6000 milliamp hours of capacity, which should last me about 2 days, I hope. an LPDDR5X RAM, as well as a full terabyte of onboard storage. And the other benefit coming with this Snapdragon 8 Elite, because it's very powerful, but the powerful comes with lots of heat. But this year, with this 3nm chip, OnePlus claims that they have a better cooling and vapor chamber system. A huge vapor chamber to fight with this excessive heat and sustain a consistent performance during intensive tasks and games. And you can see from the box we have Android version 15, and Android security update is from October 5th. Now let's check for updates. If we have one, let's just connect to a network. And yes, we have update which is 210, and it is 363 megabytes. We have camera, improves moon photographs taken in photo mode, fix an issue with sharpness and noise in photos taken in photo mode, improves the color performance in photo, improves the clarity of preview, improves the quality of WeChat video system, reduce power consumption in some scenarios, improve the audio experience in third-party apps, improve system stability. So a big update with lots of fixes and improvement. We have a pre-installed screen protector. I'm not sure you can see it, but we have it here pre-installed on the device, which is something, a nice touch from OnePlus. Now I will reset this device because I want to set it by myself, not by Trending Shenzhen. Okay guys, device is completely factory reset. Now I will set it up and we will show you how to install Google services on it. Let's do it. And now let's check the new ultrasonic fingerprint. And I can say from that moment, this is a perfect placement for that fingerprint. Really, this is the exact location it should be. But we'll check how fast and how accurate this fingerprint is after I set it up. Because on Oppo Find X8 Pro, the positioning of fingerprint is very low. Also on the Vivo X200 Pro, it's very low. I'm not sure why, but OnePlus is perfectly positioned. This is one benefit for OnePlus 13. And it's ready. Let's set it up, a face unlock too. And all set. Now this is the welcome screen of OnePlus 12 and ColorOS 15. Everything is here, and it directly shows you that you can install Google services. Google mobile services, they are on. If you tap here on Google, you can sign in to your Google account directly. Easy as that. And when you sign in, probably it will download the necessary Google services. And this is the bloatware comes with the device. We have something here. We have so wallet and reader, I say, and OnePlus Club, I will say they are not bloatware, but this I show you, Didi, this Bilibili, this thing, this hot apps, the whole folder, and this thing here, everything is bloatware to me. But it's easy, just uninstall it. So guys, when you open that App Market by Oppo and you miss that Play Store icon, you just need to do like this. Close it from recent and reopen it. When you reopen it and again search for Play Store, but it should be directly on the Play, you will find that original icon of Google Play Store, and you can see they are installed, but you can update these Google services. Wait a minute, it will be updated and it should be on your home screen now. Let's wait it. And now you can open it. Of course, we already enter our Google account, so this is the Play Store itself. Like, let's check it. You can see it now. It's on your home screen, and easy as that, you can receive Google services on your ColorOS 15 or 14 device. That's it. If you can't find it in App Market, just close it and open it again. And now from Play Store, you can download whatever application you want. And now it's time to test this fingerprint. So let's close the screen. Whoa, very fast. Whoa, I just barely touched the screen. Whoa, very fast. Very fast and accurate. I like it. This is something I really like, that they are going now for this ultrasonic fingerprint. The next thing, we can test this camera shutter button. Is it fast? As everyone mentioned that this is the probably the fastest camera shutter. Now let's just start snapping. Guys, you can hear it. It's very, very fast. And we have so many pictures of all my flowers behind me. Whoa, it's very fast. I will try to play a video behind it. I will just try to play a video. Some crazy motor driving. Because I just want to show you that it's very, very fast. And I just want to check if it will snap any of. I just want to show you it will snap a direct movement of the phone. Let's check it. Is it blurred or no? You can see a very clear picture. Whoa, that's a fast shutter. Let's check it again. Yes, you can see a very fast shutter. So the shutter is very, very fast. Again, that fingerprint, let's test it. I really like it. It's very fast and accurate. Again, after you just receive the device, you can see here ColorOS 15 highlights. Of course, guys, I hope I can move to Oxygen OS, completely rebrand and make it global version of OnePlus 13, but we need to wait and when the global ROM is released. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe and like my videos. Have a nice day.